Alright, what's going on, you guys? Sorry, it's been about 2 weeks since we've uploaded a video, but we have been buying, selling stuff, trading stuff, and we got a couple things to finally show you now. So I ordered a bike about 2 months ago, somewhere around there. I've only had it for about a week, as I want to do a little review over it, let you guys know what I think of it. Honestly, I'm going to tell you right now, I fucking love the thing. It's given me no issues so far. Pretty dope. It is a 2020 Coolster 125. I bought it from Powersport Max. As you can tell, I already went and tore all the fucking graphics off and made my own. If you guys want graphics or something, hit me up and I can maybe make some for you. We got the Dirty Gang on there. We got our sticker. Then of course we had to do the subscribe to Dirty Nacho Sauce one, and my number is 13. But some more about the bike, I guess, because that's what you guys are here for. It is a 2020 Coolster, like I said, bought from Powersports Max. I got it, and right out of the box, fired right up, first kick. These motherfuckers got quite a bit of compression. I'm gonna be honest, it's probably a little more geared for racing than road riding like I like to do. Third gear at Power Wheelies and you can coast them. That's what I always do. If you watch the video when I do wheelies, I don't even use a clutch. And before you guys start talking shit, yes, I'm dragging my feet. I've only had the bike for a week. I'm still feeling it out before, you know, I go pulling my feet up and one-handers and all that fun shit. But it's pretty basic. If you guys have any questions over it, please leave some comments and we'll cover it. I'll do an update video after having it for a month and we'll see if anything goes wrong. When you get it, it comes in a crate, so you are going to have to take apart the crate. It took about 2 hours for us to fully assemble. And make sure when you get it that you go through all the nuts and bolts and make sure they're tight. My forks up here fucking slid. I'll put up a picture maybe, but they slid and smashed into my handlebars right there. That's why it's all fucked up. Yeah, that was up there. So had to readjust that because they just didn't tighten shit. I've already dumped it once. Handlebars are slightly tweaked, but they're perfectly fine, honestly. I don't even notice it. So I'll probably just going to leave them alone for now. I do got other bars to put on it, just no grips right now. I don't know how to pronounce the brand of the engine, but this is what you're working with. It is actually just a 120, not a 125, but who gives a flying fuck. Choke, right behind your choke here, the screw right here, that's going to be your idle adjust. That's really the only adjustment you got. Their filters are shit. Please replace them. I haven't got to it yet. I need to get a uni, but just haven't ordered it yet. They actually come with some fucking foam around it, but before I even got to ride it, it started peeling off. So definitely going to need to swap all that out. And on the other side of the carburetor, which I found pretty interesting that this actually had it, that screw down there actually is your bleed right here for your carburetor. Figured that out. I turned it and I started fucking dumping gas everywhere. So, you know, those are your two adjustments basically. You got your standard, you know, kill. There is no key, unfortunately. I was a little disappointed. I'm like, how the fuck? It's 2020 and you're selling bikes without keys? Like, are you fucking kidding me? So I'm gonna do a video on wiring one up whenever I order one. Sorry for my hair. It's hot as fuck and I don't want to put it up or anything. It's pretty basic. You got the 12-inch back tire, the 14-inch front tire. They seem to be holding up all right. Because I've only had it for a week. I run it on gravel, fucking dirt, pavement, and they're holding up just fine. It's overall a solid bike. Now, it's not going to be like a Honda or anything. I mean, you know, you got to pay about $2 grand, $3 grand for some of them. So don't expect to get Honda quality for, you know, like $800. That's what I paid for. It was $800 shipped to my front door. Not badly priced at all. I think that's pretty fucking fantastic, honestly. Super solid bike. If you guys are thinking about getting one, I would recommend it, but just make sure you go through and tighten everything. I had to readjust my chain when it was here, the fork things, and you got to put the front wheel on and the handlebars on when it does come in the crate, just so you guys know. You do have to put that on yourself. It does not come fully assembled unless you want to pay extra, but it doesn't take shit. Just do it yourselves. And if you can't do it yourselves, then you probably shouldn't even be ordering a bike, honestly. But it's pretty solid. I weigh about 140. I'm 6 foot tall, and I'm on it comfortably. Whenever I'm doing my fucking foot drags and stuff, when I'm doing wheelies, it's just like the tips of my toes really drag, and my whole feet don't drag on it. It sits quite high for a 125. It was kind of a pain in the ass to get it here, though. I'll give you guys that warning now, and it's all due to COVID, so don't send too much hate to the company. But it took, you know, about a month and a half for this thing to finally get here. My original color choice was black, right? And I ordered this bike because it was the only one in stock. I wanted black. My secondary choice color was blue. All right, fine and dandy. It's the only two color choices they had. Well, they ran out of stock about 3 or 4 days after I ordered it. So I'm like, all right, fine. I'll wait for you guys to get more in. Well, when they did, they were like, all right, we got some in, but we only have red. I'm like, yeah, sure. I don't care. You know, just send me a bike. Like, I'm ready to be riding halfway through summer already, it seems like, and I ain't even got a fucking bike. And I've been holding up the videos for you guys. This thing was supposed to be on the channel a long time ago. That's why you haven't got a video. And, well, I went and checked on their website myself, and the only color choice they had was green. So, of course, the next day, we get a call. Yeah, we only have green. Is that okay? So I had to give them a very long lecture. Yes, I don't care what color it is. I don't give a flying McFuck what you gotta do. Send me my fucking bike or send me my goddamn money so I can order elsewhere. And you know what happened? I got the fucking bike about a week and a half later. So how fucking fantastic is that? So, sorry to bore you with all this talking. I guess we'll go get into some riding and shit now. We'll do some wheelies. I'll ride around in the woods, and I'm probably not going to do an outro. I'll just ride for you guys and let you guys see what it sounds like, how well it handles stuff with someone my size. And, well, I hope you guys did enjoy the video. Go get your merch. I'm obviously not wearing merch. I just like to point at myself, apparently. But go get your merch, all that fun shit. All links in the description. Instagram, Twitter. Turn that fucking bell on. Should be subscribed, so go turn the fucking bell on. Leave a like on this video. Like I said, leave a comment if you guys got questions on this bike. If there's something I missed that you guys, you know, want like really good detail into, yeah, just let me know and I'll be sure to cover it. Before I get into riding real quick, we do have another bike. I know, right? I'm not going to show it in this video. So, you guys are going to have to wait for that, but I told you we picked up a couple things. We got shit moving now. Expect banger videos from here on out. We're about to have a couple toys, running toys at that. Not just build them and then they break down in the video. Like, it's going to be solid. So, sorry I'm rambling. Without any further ado, let's get into riding.